The story begins in 1952 in Mexico City with the birth of the Pavisa Group. For over 70 years, Pavisa has specialized in the production of premium glass bottles and containers, becoming over time an industrial partner for international brands in the spirits, cosmetics, and perfumery sectors. The group's growth has been based on three clear pillars: glass quality, technological innovation, and human resources. A vision that has allowed Pavisa to develop recognized expertise in the production of containers with high aesthetic and technical value, destined for the most demanding markets. With the evolution of global markets and the growth in demand for premium glass, Pavisa has progressively expanded its international presence. In 2022, the group took a key strategic step, the acquisition of Aton Luce, a historic glassworks located in Tuscany, with the goal of creating the Pavisa Group's first production plant in Europe, strengthening the group's industrial presence in one of the most important markets for glass. From that moment on, Aton Luce became an integral part of the Pavisa Group. Founded in 1967, Aton Luce has built a solid reputation over time in the production of high-quality glass containers. The Tuscan plant has developed particularly in the perfumery, home fragrance, and lighting markets, distinguishing itself for its ability to develop high-value projects. The integration with the Pavisa Group now allows for the combination of this industrial tradition with a global vision. Aton Luce thus becomes the European presence of the Pavisa Group, integrating local experience and industrial strength. The central axis of this project is the installation of a new generation electric furnace for glass melting. Glass melting is one of the most energy-intensive industrial processes. For this reason, the transition to more efficient technologies represents a key challenge for the sector. The electric furnace allows for a significant reduction in carbon dioxide emissions, especially when powered by energy from renewable sources. For the Pavisa Group, this investment represents a concrete step towards a more sustainable and technologically advanced production model. The introduction of the electric furnace is part of a broader modernization program for the plant. The goal is to equip the European operation with all the technologies necessary to compete in a market where automation, quality, and production continuity are increasingly decisive. This will allow for the development of new opportunities, including the automatic production of bottles for the spirits sector. Alongside technology, the true value of the plant remains its people. The skills developed over the years by technicians, operators, and glass specialists represent a fundamental asset. The Pavisa Group's investment has exactly this goal: to strengthen this capacity and enable its growth alongside new technologies. Because industrial innovation is the result of combining experience, material knowledge, and a vision for the future. Today, Aton Luce represents the European production platform of the Pavisa Group, an investment that combines Italian industrial tradition, advanced technology, and an international vision with the goal of serving customers with quality, reliability, and sustainability. A new chapter that strengthens the group's global presence and builds the foundations for the next phase of growth.